Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious Knafeh chocolate bar. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need about 200 grams of Knafeh pastry, 100 grams of unsalted butter, and 300 grams of your favorite chocolate. For the creamy filling, prepare 150 grams of sweet cheese. Don't forget some crushed pistachios for a beautiful finish. Now, let's prepare the crispy Knafeh base. Take your 200 grams of Knafeh pastry and shred it finely. This ensures a perfect texture. Next, melt 100 grams of unsalted butter until it's completely liquid. Combine the shredded pastry with the melted butter, making sure every strand is coated. Finally, press this mixture into a thin, even layer on a baking sheet, ready for baking. With your Knafeh base ready, it's time to assemble the bar. Gently melt 300 grams of your chosen chocolate over a double boiler to prevent burning. Pour a thin, even layer of this melted chocolate into your bar mold. Carefully place a piece of the crispy Knafeh pastry on top. Then, spread 150 grams of the sweet cheese filling evenly over the Knafeh layer. To finish, cover the cheese filling and Knafeh with another layer of melted chocolate, ensuring the entire bar is fully encased. This creates a beautiful, smooth exterior. Place the assembled chocolate bar in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours to allow it to set completely. Once firm, carefully unmold your delicious creation. Garnish with 50 grams of crushed pistachios and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.